Well, there's no let-up in the war of words that's broken out between Priyanka Gandhi and Varun Gandhi. Priyanka Gandhi has spoken out again in Amethi, responding to Varun Gandhi's remark. The statement that was issued a while ago, Priyanka Gandhi said that the war is an ideological one.
And he's on the other side of that war. And I believe what I believe about this election in this country. And anybody, no matter how close they are, as blood relations, if they are going to be on that side of the ideological spectrum, then these are my beliefs.
So this is only something that is coming from you because this is something that you're only saying because Varun is at the BJP. Had he been with the Congress, these views would not have been expressed ever.
I'm saying this because he has expressed his views in the last election about certain things, and I don't agree with them. I strongly disagree with those views, and I feel that it's a betrayal of my family. My father died for the unity of this country. I cannot disrespect that for anybody, even if it were my own child.
Thank you.
Headlines today's Gaurav Sawant is joining us on the phone line on this full frontal attack of Priyanka Gandhi on Varun Gandhi. Never heard before words really, Gaurav, as far as Priyanka Gandhi is concerned. The manner in which she seems to have attacked Varun Gandhi this time, clearly saying that these are entrenched positions that people have taken. It's an ideological division, ideological spectrum in which they see themselves on opposite side.
And very clearly, this is no longer a battle. The cousins do not attack each other. While Varun Gandhi initially started this campaign saying that he will not either campaign against either Rahul or Sonia Gandhi, nor will he talk about them, will maintain decency. And even today, while filing his papers from Sultanpur, he maintained that point. But Priyanka Gandhi launched a frontal attack, as you rightly pointed out, saying that this is ideological and this is not a family tea party. This is a betrayal, and those are those entrenched positions, very clearly referring to what Varun Gandhi had said initially in the previous elections in Pilibhit, where he spoke about attacking members of a certain community in case they attack members of other community. So this is what Priyanka Gandhi lashed out on, saying that this is completely unacceptable and this is against the norms, accepted norms of her party, her family, and she saw it as a betrayal that Varun Gandhi was actually contesting elections from the other party.
It's very interesting in a manner because Priyanka Gandhi seems to have dragged in the alleged hate speeches that were made during the last national election back in 2009. We'll in fact come back to you in just a moment. Stay with us, Gaurav. Let's in fact play out for our viewers the comments of Priyanka Gandhi, a scathing attack on her cousin Varun Gandhi of an unprecedented nature. Listen in.
And he's on the other side of that war. And I believe what I believe about this election in this country. And anybody, no matter how close they are, as blood relations, if they are going to be on that side of the ideological spectrum, then these are my beliefs.
So this is only something that is coming from you because this is something that you're only saying because Varun is at the BJP. Had he been with the Congress, these views would not have been expressed ever.
I'm saying this because he has expressed his views in the last election about certain things, and I don't agree with them. I strongly disagree with those views, and I feel that it's a betrayal of my family. My father died for the unity of this country. I cannot disrespect that for anybody, even if it were my own child.
Thank you.
All right, it's interesting what Priyanka Gandhi has said there, and I'm going to quote her verbatim, Gaurav here. She mentions that certain views have been expressed about certain things in the last election. This appears to be a clear reference to the alleged hate speech that was made by Varun Gandhi in 2009. It's another matter altogether that a local court had in fact acquitted Varun Gandhi of spreading communal hatred when cases were registered against him.
Yes, indeed. In fact, then the state went into appeal against that acquittal because all the witnesses had turned hostile and the state could not find evidence of that hate speech that Varun Gandhi allegedly made in Pilibhit in the 2009 elections. But this time it's a completely no-holds-barred fight between the in the Gandhi family, because this time Varun Gandhi is not in Pilibhit, he's in adjoining constituency of Sultanpur. And Priyanka Gandhi is well aware of one, anti-incumbency, two, mouth that could spread across constituencies. And while speaking to her voters, her brother's voters in Amethi, she's repeatedly been saying that this message has to go even to adjoining constituencies, that if my cousin has gone on the wrong path, he needs to be, set right. A message needs to be sent and indicating that he needs to be defeated. So far, the family had stayed off attacking each other, but that from Priyanka Gandhi's side is now history. This is the third attack on Varun Gandhi, even as Varun Gandhi, even this morning said he will not cross that Lakshman Rekha and he will continue to maintain that certain decency and decorum that ought to be maintained in politics.
Right, and it's interesting that Priyanka in the same breath also added that even if it were my own child, I am ideologically opposed to the views that have been expressed earlier in previous elections. Let's in fact again listen into what Varun Gandhi had to say earlier in the day as he filed his nomination from Sultanpur.
उन्होंने मुझे पूछा कि भाई क्या आप अमेठी रायबरेली में चुनाव प्रचार करने जाएंगे? अब तो लोगों ने आपके बारे में बहुत अच्छी अच्छी बातें बोली हैं। मैंने क्या जवाब दिया? मैंने जवाब दिया कि मैं संजय गांधी का बेटा हूं, जो मैं एक दिन को कहता हूं मैं अंत तक वही बात पे अटक रहता हूं। अगर मैंने शुरुआत में जिस दिन मैं राजनीति में आया उस दिन मैंने बयान दिया कि ना मैं परिवार के खिलाफ बोलूंगा, ना मैं शत्रुओं के खिलाफ बोलूंगा। परिवार को तो मैं कभी शत्रु मानता नहीं।